It's not Sean.
Yeah, like that. Look at what she
Oh my goodness.
Oh, Nene, baby. Oh, Nene, baby. Oh, boo-boo, you want to get that one out? Yeah. Oh, look, Nene, look. Wait. Here. Put it back down in there. Let Mama happy. Here. Remember Mama told you? Just dip it like that and you don't get all that stuff. Look at that, Titi. Oh. Can you get it? Yeah, you can. Oh, shh. Can Mama help? Look at your Nene. Okay, boo-boo. We got it. We got it. Good girl. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, we have to put it way up there somewhere, okay? Right there. Put it right there. Oh, you did good, boo-boo. Let's wait on that one. Let's get it a little bit more darker, okay? Put it back in there. Look at that, Titi. The Nene eggs. Nene won't put one in. No, look at that, Titi. Nene don't want to put one in. Oh, Boo-Boo put one in. See, our orange color is not too good, Papa. But it's okay. Hey. The blue and the purple turned out real good, Papa. You want to put some more stickers on? Yeah. You got a bunch of eggs that need stickers. See? Look at her. Wow. Savannah's egg needs a sticker. Wow. You're finished with it? We'll lay it right there if you are finished. Well, good job. Whee! Oh, wow. Well, let's wait on the other one, okay? It's not orange enough yet, okay? Look, Nene. Look at that Savannah's egg. Says Savannah. Okay. Look at that. Oh, where's Doa? Where's Doa, Nene? Huh? Oh, look at that, Titi. Oh, look what Boo-Boo's doing. Huh? Look what Boo-Boo's doing. This is first time for Boo-Boo to color eggs, and she's doing such a good job. Oh, yeah, she's doing such a good job her first time. Yes, she is. She'll wake up and just like her. Just let her do it. Look what Nene, look what Boo-Boo's doing. No, look what Boo-Boo doing. Sit down. Good girl. Have you got anything you need to check? Oh, that's not done enough, Sissy. We need to let it sit a little bit more. Look at that, Nene. Look at that dog. Nene? Yeah, I got one more. No, Sissy, it's not ready yet. Be careful, it's not ready. Oh, Titi. Come on. Here. Do it. Look at that. Did you get that? Oh, man, I'm sorry.
How about I want to put this one?
Okay, look at
No, it doesn't work. Maybe use this one for us. Yeah, it works.
It works, Papa.
Yeah, it works.
You want something to eat?
Well, that's good. Oh, she just wants to sleep.
Good. Sissy just not feeling good. I just woke up. Yeah.
Papa woke her up.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Look what Boo-Boo's doing. Huh? Look how Boo-Boo's doing. Yeah, Boo-Boo's coloring the eggs. This is first time to color eggs. Yeah. This is first time to color eggs. Oh, Nene, look. Look at the pretty eggs. Sissy, it's not colored enough, okay? Put it up there. Who's gonna finish up? Happy Easter, everybody.
Okay.
Happy Easter. Boo-boo. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Yay!